How does a working professional go from knowing about AI and digital marketing to actually getting hired for it without quitting their job to figure it out? Well, that's not a random question. That's the exact question most working professionals like you are sitting with right now, and nobody is giving them a clear answer. Because every course, every YouTube video, every resource out there tells you what you learn, not how to cross the gap between learning things and actually doing things professionally. And if you've been in the loop of just consuming content but not knowing how to make this switch without compromising the stability you've built, this video is exactly for you. But first, let me show you what this loop might look like. You started with YouTube tutorials, in fact, hours of them, to understand AI powered marketing. When that wasn't enough, maybe you took that AI course from a renowned agency with 47,000 ratings and a bestseller badge. Now, once you've finished it, even though you feel good about it, when you actually open the laptop to do something with it, nothing seems good anymore because nobody taught you what to do when there is no tutorial playing step-by-step video happening. So, you're just left with a blank screen, a real brief, a client or employer waiting for results. To fix this, you go back to learning again. More content, more courses, and more saving videos to watch later. Meanwhile, professionals around you, some with less experience, some with no prior marketing background, are actually making this switch. They are getting hired, running campaigns, even working with brands. And here you are asking yourself, what are they doing that I'm not? Let me help you with that. See, most working professionals are trying to break into AI, digital marketing, are solving the wrong problem. They think the gap is knowledge, thus, they keep adding more content, more information, more theory. But what if I told you the gap was never the knowledge, but the skills? The gap is the ability to sit in front of a real business problem and actually do something about it using the tools available and without writing a single line of code. Unfortunately, that is the part no course covers. And let me show you exactly what I mean, because there are 3 specific mistakes that keep working professionals stuck in this loop. Now, once you see them clearly, the path forward becomes easier. Number 1, they are learning tools instead of learning to think with them. There are hundreds of AI and no-code tools, and most people spend time learning how each one works. But the professionals being hired are the ones who know which tools to use, when and why, and can deliver results with them. Number 2, they have no real work to show. See, some can spend months learning digital marketing and AI and walk into an interview with nothing but a certificate. But in a field where proof of work is everything, that certificate means very little. Number 3, and this one hits differently. They are waiting to feel ready before they start doing. There is no perfect moment to feel ready. The professionals who made this switch started implementing and practicing the moment they learned things, didn't wait for circumstances to feel right. There, I've said it in plain and simple words. Now, if you're still watching, it's because some part of you already know this is exactly where you are. At this point, you just need a structured environment where you stop consuming, start applying on real briefs with real tools and with someone who's actually done this, guiding you through it. And that's exactly what I've built for you. I've spent almost a decade helping professionals make exact transition into careers in digital marketing and AI using no-code tools. So I know this works for sure. And I'm going live with a 3-day workshop where I'll help you reach that stage as well. In these 3 days, I will give you complete clarity on what this career transition actually looks like, what skills matter, what tools to learn, and in what order, and exactly where you fit in. Now, this isn't a program that promises to solve everything in 3 days. It's for gaining the kind of clarity most working professionals spend years trying to find on their own. By the end of it, you won't just understand AI and digital marketing, you will be able to execute real campaigns, real frameworks, and real portfolio-worthy work that you can walk into with any interview. All you have to do is click the button below, register, and attend 3 sessions that will completely change how you approach the career transition. So click now and I'll see you live.